The year was 1976. A man named Steven Spurrier, who was running a wine shop in Paris, invited some of the most esteemed, well-credentialed wine professionals in all of France to participate in a blind tasting competition of French versus Californian wines at the Intercontinental Hotel in downtown Paris. The judges would taste 10 Chardonnays, 4 from Burgundy and 6 from California, and then move on to the reds. All of this was done more of a publicity stunt than anything else, and the competition might as well have been rigged. No one, and I mean no one, expected the American wines to stand a chance. After all, these were the French, the masters of terroir, and the kings of all things refined. And the Californian winemakers were seen as a bunch of dopes who didn't know how to make wine. But then the unthinkable happened. First place of the white round was a 1973 Chateau Montelena from Napa Valley, and the American wines took 3 of the top 4 spots. At this point, the judges were alarmed to say the least. So in the next red wine round, they tried even harder to distinguish the French from American wines to assure a French victory. But alas, the winner was a 1973 Stag's Leap Wine Cellars Cabernet Sauvignon from Napa Valley, beating 4 first growth Bordeaux's, wines that sold for thousands of dollars and had famed reputations. And one lone reporter from Time magazine caught the whole thing. The fallout was massive. Time magazine published an article claiming victory, while the French press tried to downplay the event in any way they could. But it didn't matter, it was too late. It was a shot heard around the world, and Napa had pulled the trigger. It proved that Napa wines could not only stand toe-to-toe with the best wines in the planet, but gave California its opening to enter the world stage. Get the wine, full episodes, and more at viasforvino.com.